Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, refers to the wide-scale adoption of new technologies in manufacturing to improve business efficiencies. Data is compiled and reported in real time and without the need for input from a human. You can be alerted if there is an issue with a machine, which can then be scheduled for downtime and fixed before it evolves into a larger and far more expensive problem. Analytics can be used to spot trends such as over- or understocked warehouses, seasonal upturns or downturns, top-performing products, and more. Work processes and functions can be streamlined through software automation bots to reduce human labor costs to a minimum. The integration of IoT into digital platforms is making smarter, faster, and more nimble manufacturing operations that can respond fluidly to conditions and organizations. Adoption of Industry 4.0 among businesses is now one of the main distinguishing factors between successful companies and digital laggards. Expect to see a lot more from Industry 4.0 in the future. To learn more, visit impactmybiz.com and stay tuned for more breakdowns of technology topics.